Hi guys, I am Tripura and welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. And today we are going to create this beautiful look right here. I feel this is so wearable and yet so elegant look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I am starting with L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. Primers are must if you have a oily skin or if you have problems with your pores. Next I am using the Benefit brow pencil. This is Benefit Goof Proof Brow in the shade Soft Cool Black. I am using this to fill in my brows. First I am lining out the brows, then I am filling in the gaps. I usually don't fill in the starting part of my brow because I feel it makes the look so fake, so I like to keep it minimal. For my eye base today I am using the P. Louise eye base in the shade 2 and blending it on my eyelid. And for my eyeshadow today I am using the NYX Warm Neutrals palette. This is actually the first time I am using this palette. I first took the darkest shade from the palette and then blending it on my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, I am taking the shade and blending it a little above my crease. Next I am taking this burnt orange shade and placing it above the first color and blending both the colors upwards. After I am satisfied with the blending, I am taking a concealer and cutting the crease. Remember, if you have hooded eyes, always cut your crease above your crease line. Then I am taking this gold shimmer on a flat brush and applying it on the inner corners. Then I am taking this pink shade and applying it next to that. Once I am satisfied with the shimmer, I am taking the first color that we took again and blending both the shimmer and the eyeshadow for a seamless blend. I am doing the same steps for the other eye too. First I am taking the brown color, blending it, and then I took the burnt orange color and then blending it in. Finally I cut the crease and I applied the shimmers. For my base today I am using the Sugar Cosmetics Drop the Base foundation. This is in the shade 42. It has a medium to buildable coverage. If you have extremely oily skin, I wouldn't recommend you to use this foundation. But if you have dry skin or combination skin, you can definitely go and give it a try. For my concealer today I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige and I am applying it under my eyes and around my mouth where I have pigmentation, and then I am blending everything in. Then to set my base, I am using the setting powder by K Beauty. This is in the shade Olive. This works great if you have oily skin. And to bronze my face today, I am using the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer and blending it in. For my blush, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me blush. I will link the shade below. You can anytime go and check it out. I am not using a highlighter today because the blush already have these shimmery particles. For my lipstick today, I am using the MAC Cosmetics Deep Danger. Finally, to complete the look, I applied an eyeliner and fake lashes.